Alright, so big up on yourself. Thank you guys as always for watching. This movie that you're about to watch, it's not a brand new movie. It's a re-upload, something that we have posted already. And I guess a lot of the subscribers might have not seen it because I know a lot of persons might not scroll down to the end of the channel to watch the older movies. So it's just a re-upload for you guys to enjoy. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching. If you have watched it already, please watch it again.
Shanice,
Yeah.
come here. Where food?
You done cook it, babes.
Me you done cook it. You not see me so asleep. What you mean food not done cook it?
And you me say food not done cook it. What you want me to do?
Anyway, me I hold a bed. Make sure so me come back with food ready.
Here.
Oh, that's nice. Shanice!
Yeah.
Shanice, come here. How are them here? What kind of dirty clothes them you wash? You say you wash. Look on them here. Sit down here, sir. Yes, sir, me say if you sit down. You say you want a man and you can't wash. You
Alright.
look smell clothes them.
Then see that smell good. You wash them yourself.
Hey girl, what you do? Eh? What you do? Eh? Eh? Hey, girl, man, eh? You can't wash, eh? I open a tan there and ball and make your food burn up. You say you want a good man. See you get good man then now. Get up.
Tiffy, you see you beat me and make your food burn up.
What you say? Food burn up? Eh? Eh? Food burn up, yeah?
Sir, I'm looking for a man named Niney. Where could I find him?
Who wants to know?
Me wants to know.
What you want 90 for?
Cause my boyfriend a beat me up to wanting to teach me about martial arts.
Well, I mean him so. So you sure you want to learn?
Yes, I want to learn.
Alright. Check me upon the beach Friday evening 6 o'clock.
So what that all cost me?
We can squint out. And you can pay off, and it's been a while, you know, since I had a little rank, if you know what I mean.
I don't know what you're talking about.
A bare vegetable I've been eating, so maybe there is some other meat on the line.
What kind of meat?
Girl, you want me spit it out for you. Different dimension. Now I shall find myself a new student. You are late.
I know somebody have to look for something before I come.
That's not an excuse.
Yes, sir.
Next time, make sure you are early.
Okay.
Now we're going to start the ultimate training. Are you ready for this?
Me ready.
Make sure you're ready. All right. After 3 of the 1, 2, 3, go!
You're so fat and lazy. You need to burn calories. Work harder. This is not a laughing matter. You lazy student. I can hear you tumbling down like a volcano erupt. Whenever the person you cannot beat him, you aim for the pressure point, like the eyes. Once you get the eyes, you can take over his body. Okay? So you use your two fingers like this. And when he approach you, you do like this. Hooah!
Up on the place. And up on phone.
Every time I clean up the place, what make you can't clean it now?
Give me phone, man. Eh? If you don't want to get one more of that, better clean your house.
Just try again now. No Karachi now. No Karachi now. Go Karachi now. No Karachi now.
Action.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
No, man, I'm come that side.
You miss me, You miss the underkanda, Never me tell you that.
Which age say you go? I don't like how you look. I sort it out for you. I fix it the right way. Because I don't want when you go to work, them turn it down or fill about your head not tan good and you don't look good for the people them work. So I have to fix it up. Because I don't want to get laugh off of me out the road and they laugh off of you.
No, man, don't worry about that. Remember to me, I
And your
supervise.
clothes, I chew me not there, I can press the clothes. You could have pressed the clothes because I'm gone.
Baby. Yes, sir.
Come in, the people who pack man, I have to take time and walk. I didn't even need to sit it in. I don't like you saying nothing about you. You can take out good from people who good dining table.
Morning, Candy and Popeye.
Morning, baby.
I just transfer you 50,000 in your account.
What?
You can go and buy something, okay,
Yes,
baby?
that's why baby. I love your soul, like
Yeah, I'm late for work.
All right, baby. Take care.
Okay,
and
ma'am.
Drive safe. Drive safe. Babes, remember this something. Later you have to carry something for me. You hear? You know what me I talk already. Love you. Bye. Me soon come back here. Yeah, come back. Come chat me. Yes, you here.
Yes, ma'am.
Only good man there.
Yeah, good man,
Alright,
yeah.
A long time I not see your
You're
girl.
right at Jamaica, yes.
I lie, me think you did gone a friend and see you look nice. I get no baby.
No, I'm not get no baby.
You not married yet, no nothing.
None of them.
Show backside, you look good. A long time I not see you. Give me a hug. So what go on? Where they call me about on the phone and they tell me about
You know,
the man.
say-
What the man I deal with?
You know, say, boy, the man not go on with nothing, you know.
I lie, you not go on good.
No, me have to dash him out of the day because he not go on with nothing.
Here you are.
Yeah.
So all you a do? So you wash, cook and clean for him?
I'll have to
Everything?
too. Yeah.
My mind tell me say something wrong, cause no man can have this a good strong body girl and they not do nothing, no money, nothing good now go on in the house. So what go on? You know say my man treat me good?
Yeah, me jealous too. Like when your boyfriend a live, you know.
I lie.
Yeah.
You know say you love me but I love him bad too.
Boy, me wish me couldn't find one boyfriend like that too.
He take care of me. He just send 50 grand in my account, girl.
I lie.
One of them the man that you want.
Yeah, me want one too. Me wish me couldn't find one and settle along with her and anything there.
No, you're talking. Girl, let me tell you something. You see the good man them, they hard to find. But good man out the road where you can't find.
Alright, cut story short now.
Mm-hmm.
The Go left here now and go look one down in the town there. No?
Oh, you mean good luck? I hope you
Yeah.
find one.
Yeah, man.
Call me, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll give you a call, man.
Yeah, man,
I
call
mean,
me.
you find him, make you know where they go and see him.
Alright,
Yeah?
I'm gonna find one for you.
Alright. No.
Pass me know where the good man is.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Good evening. This me a dance. I give me a dancer, you know. You wonder how me a dance, I'm not, you know, rhythm, not sure.
Yeah, you must be psycho or something.
No, girl, I just you give me a piece of rhythm, the way you walk, coming at. So I go on different, you know, something like you know. But that take if a man like me get a woman like her, you know.
A man like you?
Yeah, and
You can't mind me, you're broke.
two boss man is, you know, ding dong them. Yeah, man. Let me soon dance like them, you them, man. Yeah, man, you see it inside. Yeah, man. I like you. I like you though, for real.
I come for shelter from the rain, I never come for look, man.
No, but me see you there turn up, you know, so we just try entertain you, see if I get to like the rest of it, you know.
You can't take care of me, you're broke.
But you can take
You
care of me
look
too.
like you have one job or nothing like that. You know,
No.
so you're out here to dance.
I'm
in
a
public.
dancer. Can't work. So ding dong them after them dance and get their money at first, you know, when them bigger now, they see them on TV, so I just gotta start off. What you say? You don't like it? You don't have a number?
Listen to me, I come for shelter from the rain, I come to talk to you. You cannot mind me, you're broke. Go shelter somewhere else.
Me a good man now, you run for a good man, you know. Good man, I only good man left.
Here you tell the girl say I want good man, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. I want good man for you.
Yes, me a good man.
Eh.
Yeah.
So, what make you a good man? What makes you a good man?
What make I a good man?
Yeah.
It's because me born good. And
Eh.
even my name is loyalty. So you have no problem with me. I don't cheat and I don't eat.
So that's why me coming out to find one good man. So come on now. Yande.
She not there, you know.
You sure say she not there here?
Yeah, man, she gone to the supermarket. But
Eh.
anyway, where you want me woman to do?
Me new man, me want sure.
Ah, boy, you know, man, alright, Rasta. Me tell her, no worry, me tell her about that.
So nobody need me message, you know.
No worry, me don't need a matches, me I'll drink it. Get a good man, thank God.
Yeah.
Go on.
Alright.
Go stew some pork.
Yeah.
Alright. Easy, Rasta.
Alright. Go on up a yard and make yourself comfortable, come and
Which
go
one
in
I
the
house
town.
them?
The back house on the back there, man.
Oh, that was the one you saw?
Yeah.
Look like it locked, so.
Push the door and go on in, man.
So me know see you rate me, you know.
Yeah, man, me rate Rasta, man. Alright, me I go in the town, go buy some clothes and come back, you know, come on, fix up, kind of stay good, you know. Rasta feel look good, you know.
And
Yeah, yeah, man, that's true, man. Rasta feel look good, man.
true.
Yeah.
Alright. So we go up here and do something.
Yeah, man, go on.
some food.
Yeah, man, go on and come.
Alright.
Alright. Yandy. There. Just remember me give Papa a message. Me tell you now, so me have a new man and then where there, you know.
You get my man message
Yeah,
to
of
give
course
me.
me give a man the message.
So you not give me a message.
You know, he must hear me.
Give my man one message. to give
Yeah, yeah, anytime
give
say
me.
go to supermarket.
me. He not give me and he eat
And
it.
yeah, near me.
I mean, give him something before he eat before me go and eat and that.
Yeah,
Maybe he did hungry still.
maybe later, young girl. Me I go down the road and I'm go buy some clothes to my man, you know.
You go down. Yeah, where you say you go?
Down the road, go buy some clothes to my man.
You know, say you're a man idiot, you're a man clown.
What you say?
You're a man clone, cause no man can't clone me out. I buy that the man they
Later,
love.
young girl.
One, when you have your fool man, them where you trick you up, now come to me with a story.
Boy, some girl is bad mind for the money. If they see something, I go buy clothes to the man and then catch bad mind. What the-
Nonsense. Who a man ding dong?
Yeah. You remember the first time I see in the town and I tell her I like you, but this is a small world, you know, we get to know me since me don't really want bum. With a real youth at a certain time in a life, if things go down for you. But now things up for me and now, mommy. I'm at right time and now.
Fire!
What one?
So me get them for she. I understand.
Where is it? What? No, I'm a cousin that man. I'm gonna carry
You can't tell me that fire.
Calm down, man. Where is it?
Come.
No, look, I'm cousin. I look at I'm cousin. I'm a
What
cousin.
you say?
Come on, man. You not trust me?
No, I'm not trust the fire.
You see me? I tell you, I'm loyal, you know. So
Yeah,
you're going to try this me. You not trust me?
No, I'm not trust the fire.
Oh, I trust you. You go down there, they ask you where you go.
No, you can't ask me because I'm one big woman.
So go here, watch me for.
So no man name na you for watch you.
After me on TV, hear me say, go on for your something for your.
You sure?
You go on for your something for your.
Not trust you, no?
No, that bad I trust anything, man. Go on for your something for you. So watch me, son.
Alright then.
So I go and babe.
Who is she?
Oh, my sister. So I really need it. No man, no worry about that, man. My sister for real. That's one thing we do for you at the moment. So you know, just I say go and brawling. Yeah man, that's my family spirit.
I'm gonna use the bathroom and come back. We're just gonna take a sec, alright?
Take a time and come.
Wagwan, I want to you.
Oh, you know some man left me.
Here we are.
Yes.
Girl, sit down and lie there. That a good man the way you tell me about. Sit down right here. Want to you and that the man there.
You know some me catch him down the road with a new girl.
That's a lie.
He a true man, a true.
A lie you there, tell.
Yes, a true.
A different man you see.
And him say when me see.
You're too lie because
Yeah.
that the man the way you convince me with.
Yeah.
Me no want hear no story about me. A lie you there.
A true. My friend a true.
So all you know say you're a man.
Yeah, because he new clothes when me buy him, I know say a him.
You sure say him?
A him.
So in down there so with the girl you know?
Yeah.
So what you ever do about it?
Come for the about it, me can't know about it.
Girl, you idiot. Make we go down there so go take off the clothes them and for the man.
Come on now.
Come on. We are
Come
going to do
on.
that. Don't we have to strip him boy.
Yeah, man.
Yo. Hey boy this.
Yeah, him said one.
So we are going to do about that.
You take strip him.
So strip him boy and stop talking.
What is that, Chinese?
You don't know what I want.
You don't know what I want.
You're blind.
You don't see the girl. How come you there so now in front of me?
Because me never go up here, me pass. I saw with the woman. I pretend like me don't know say I'm girl in here.
And you came back friend now.
Yeah, we are gonna strip you and warrior too. And the girl we are come
Wanna try
back.
now? Try now.
Alright, come now.
No joke, man.
Yo, stop it talking and make we strip him boy. Why you look so?
You know, so one. It's a good thing for people a while ago. Gunman come in a while ago. Just so me close them there, then take everything down.
So then take off everything from you and then I rob you. I don't understand where they're going.
Then I see bartender duck around there. You know, I lie me a tell.
No, it's not a lie.
And I lie me a tell,
So
right?
what? Then I rob you.
Then go down my phone too. Call the police. But you call the police. Me I tell you, say, yo, the man them come with some long gun. I skill me skill. Me just say, give them the things. Them say, if you're in there, I'll take your clothes and garbage. Yes, thank you, Jah. We met this morning. What a night last night was. Today is all about fixing things.
Shanice! Shanice, baby!
Who that?
A fire rat.
What you want?
I want to talk to you because you went down last night, so I not too like, you know. I see you look good in the morning. You look beautiful like the rose them in the morning. So, we know say something good on last night where you feel say me do something wrong. When me know something do something wrong because I wasn't doing anything wrong. But me carry some flowers to you in the morning for make up. Because I want you know say, me sorry. You see it? So, when I'm putting flowers, I put in water for make up for all the things them where you say me do wrong. Because me do nothing wrong though. So, I want you to take me back because I like when I decided. So, me and you is a perfect match. Me see you come with a big old mighty friend.
Yeah.
A bad man, she follow you to come fight me off, you know.
Yeah.
She no want you live happy, you know, girl.
True.
With you and fire, you know, the fire never stop burning, you know.
Yeah.
So me and say, me no want you make them look at things them mash up what we have, you know.
Yes.
Cause you know, say, last night, you see me at the shop with the girl. You know, me I talk to the girl about, it's an engagement ring. Me I try make you source one. Cause me I pray for married, but me not have the money. So me I surprise me, I try surprise you. So you deal with me wicked. You understand?
Yeah.
Good man like me, you deal with me rough. But me know that you never know me there do, you know. So me have to tell you the secret what me there try to do. You see it?
Yes.
So, more you take me back in, man.
Fire, I'm apologize. I'm coming in the house then now.
If you come in,
Yeah, if you come in the house.
so you forgive me.
Yeah, me forgive you.
And me forgive you too.
Alright.
Boy, what I do, cool, you know?
Yeah.
Out there cool.
Yeah, cool.
Big man, no vlogging on the plaza, you know. No vlogging on the plaza, man. Come on, every time you come here, you vlog. You not would have give me your money in my hand.
But, man, it's not illegal for vlog on the plaza.
Not because of free plaza. You're not really free on this place. I mean, I protect you, so you have to give me something. So, if you can't give me something, leave.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, man. Good night, baby. Tired, this is
Good night, honey. Why you coming so late?
extra hours, you know? I have to let off when I start them and just take over your shift. You cook anything?
Yes, of course. Your favorite? Fish and crackers.
Wow.
So you not bring nothing for me?
Your bula that you love.
Wow, thank you.
Specially made.
Yes, I love it. Looking very nice. I hope it tastes good. I was going down in your workplace today. Me hear say down there bad up some boy.
Who tell you that?
Me just hear people talk, man.
Listen, baby, nobody now run me off of my job, you know. Because you see my job, and me respond to my job. So if you're in company, they could have come with 6 guns. Me I beat them with my stick.
It look like you one dead left me. You not hear about them, the boy they down at the plaza. A bad boy them.
Yandy. You know, so me take back fire ass in the house.
You taking fire ass back. The same dirty boy where you used to mind. I mean, you have to go strip the boy and beat him.
Yes, him said one.
Why said to you make you really take him back?
When he said to me, he carry flowers to me, you know, and tell me I'm beautiful.
So I want man really, or somebody really have to look upon you and tell us you're beautiful before you know say you're beautiful.
I can't bother with the long talking right now, because me and my work down the road if I go do right now, you know, girl. So, me I go do my work right now. Any day your man gear bun, you figure it out.
Miss,
Yes?
me care about them panty account here, you know. I almost 1 year now, me buy them, and me man, I say boy, they not top bus up on him. I want back the money, you know.
I don't want them back, you know. I don't want them back, because your woman with them for 1 year already and never bust up on it. So take you and go on with it, because I don't want you back.
You don't want them back?
No, I don't want them back. You know the refund around here. So what you do? And I say I sell me the sell, man. Eh? I say, hey, dirty boy, man. You can't touch a jazz in my pan, but I say I sell me the sell, man. And your woman wear the jazz and you sit there, man. I'm gonna take up here and fling you away, man. Man, I hear where the chance, let me know. Man, I hear where the chance, let me know.
I know me attack. With the old dry rotten sitting them. What?
Dirty boy. Chase someone come chase me a two tongue. Me pack up me sitting there and left that place, you know, because the boy get on the wrong side, you know. Fire! Fire!
What do you know?
Come help me now. Come here.
You know, I could hear you wake up and call man.
Yeah.
Take the things them, come take the things about the goods them out and go down go try sell and make a money. You have a partner for play.
Yeah.
Stop play around, man. Left yard, man. When me say one yard for clean, you get paid for a yard.
No.
Or up and go and say make some money, you know, because you're part of the pay, you know.
Yeah.
And the partner job come and want something out of it, you know.
Yeah, man, you get something out of it.
Yeah, because you say you love me.
Yeah, me love you.
Alright, so you have to pay for your loving. Or up and go down in the town go work where you work. You're a good girl, you know.
Yeah, man, me know.
And I follow nobody say.
Yeah.
I love you.
Me love you too.
Alright, go and go do your thing. And no disturb me now, man. I try to rest. I work enough last night already.
You me come look and I want to talk to you, you know.
We want to talk to me, sir, now.
Why? Right now. I want you back, you know.
Me put you out already, you know. And me have a new man up on me yard. So it's too late. It can't happen again.
Which new man you talk about?
The
What you
fire,
talk
man.
about? What you talk about? Which fire?
Think me not gonna tell me, man, what you do me?
What no? I'm my yard this. Me no response.
Fire! Fire!
Awa!
You know, say Joe hold up from press and make it turn up.
Who name Joe?
Joe, me ex, man.
What you looking for?
She want to come back. And me tell him, say, he can't come back and you up here now.
Yo, what will you
You
want?
me lick you man in the
Eh?
brain.
Where the
Me
man
lick you
for?
man in
Lick
the
you a while ago.
Yeah, lick me a while ago.
What part in lick you?
Up here, sir.
Lick him back.
I mean, they give them back.
Never lick you.
And-
Never lick you.
Yes.
Never lick you.
Yes.
Liar girl, never lick you.
Yes.
Liar
Yes.
girl, never lick you.
Yes. You lick.
You're
Yes.
wicked, you know.
Yes.
You're wicked.
What, baby? That's why I can't give about it, you know. Bakery have to park, you know.
You look nice, for sure.
What you mean?
Sexy.
You're
I
the
love
apple,
it,
you're the apple of my eyes, you know.
Yes.
Not the one on the iPhone, the one in
Alright.
the real life.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Babes, you know, say, me get one call to go a country.
Country.
Yes.
Boy, me miss it crackers and tea, but me not have a problem, baby. You know, so me can't take care of
So, how the
myself.
breakfast and you did dinner part I go?
No worry about that, baby. Remember, so me had no left over my mother, you know. Me can look about it. I can steam crackers and make tea.
I want to make sure you say you're alright before me leave.
Remember, you know, when I go to work, you know, I can buy food on the road. So you don't have to
love you,
fret.
so, you know. That's why
Yeah.
I love you, so. Yeah, good man. Good man.
Good man, because
Yes.
that's what. Me not give you no money, you know.
No, me no say you not give me no money. You're mad.
Any woman call off a hype on the road, you know, me just run them, you know. Sometimes they come on the plaza and they have a thing to wait some minutes.
You're my man. Me no say I
Yeah.
saw you stay and there with no girl with me. And
Yeah.
you a good man.
No worry, I'll get some money and go up a country, so spend all 2 months.
Alright, baby, guess what? I'm going to take up the clothes.
2 months.
Me soon come.
Yeah.
The boy don't know what he do. You know. Him see my woman, now my woman forgot to walk. Go walk here now because bills have to pay, you know. And him assault my woman in front. I kill him once, somebody kill him, you know.
I in a mama yard, him man come. If I kill him on this property, everything good.
But when you kill him and he gone up, you gone up prison, you know,
No,
piece
me
of
not
shit.
got prison self-defense. It's Shani's property. What am I do over here, so? And me control Shani's property over here, so. The judge have to set me free.
Then nah do that. Me I tell you.
Done, man. Done, me say done.
Done what?
Done. A killer want kill him, man.
You can't go and defend you. So
But
when
me
you
thank you for your defense, me star. But the upper the yard, more you go.
I control me get totally thick, you know. Come on, go for your
Come on, man.
Fire this not over, you know. You're not done here, sir.
Boy, baby, I tell you, say, Shani is a new man over there. I fight to our next man. The man look like him foot broke. He have a walking tick and ground.
I lie.
And Rasta have a tick and me have to take off Rasta.
So what cause that?
Me don't know about all me know Rasta determined kill the man. But me don't know, you don't have to go after our friend.
Make sure say you not put yourself in a nobody business, you know.
Listen, baby, you know say me are different, man. Yeah, but me go, my heart and sweaty, you know, cause the fight.
So you can go and go have a shower now, baby.
Okay, baby.
I carry towel for you in a bathroom.
No problem, honey.
Alright, baby. I want me to go on up here, yeah, there.
Big old fight happened today. Me say my ex-man want come back and me can't take him back. And Fire have to beat him up and him a try lick me.
Really?
Yeah. You see something tell us Fire is a good man.
Alright,
Later me I go down the road go sell.
Girl, I don't even know how me upset right now. Me say me go forget some money on the machine take with my card, girl, and me want do me here for come on your birthday tomorrow. Me here, if you ever see me here, stay up on the roadside. I'm so upset right now, I don't even know how me mad.
It's my lucky day today.
Excuse me, I see me up on my phone.
An angel like you is on my job, baby.
Look here, me have a whole heap of problem on my head right now. Me don't have time for your foolishness. Me up on my phone.
I'll never see that, sweetie, but you're on my job.
You blind or something?
Are you blind? Don't you see me in my suit?
And don't they teach you not to invade in people's conversation?
I'm sorry, Mom. But a beautiful girl like you draw a connection between me and you.
Hold on, just a sec. Girl, me soon talk to you, because you get pant up on my nerves. We need to find out what's going on. That's me. Alright, later.
I overheard you on your phone said your card get takeaway. Is that true?
Yes, and your point is hard.
I can pay to do you here. How much that costs?
It's not only here. You know what something I have to do?
Name it. Listen, I don't go to machine. I just tap up people's card. I just do anything. Where you wanna go? I send the money there.
I mean, no man don't never just do something like that and I want something in return.
Listen, baby. Listen. Let me tell you this. I can't talk this. This is very private.
So, babes, what you tell a man say there?
You know, so me tell him say me dead on some of my family them. The country me go. So you know say nothing because of my family me go, you know.
Alright.
I think he say me not fi stay too long, you know.
Alright. What you hear me go do? Me go give you some plan and thing for carry in.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and probably 2 finger banana and so yam.
So you not give me no planting?
Yeah, you get plant and banana and yam. Let me tell you, you know, good all you up here, you know, and I chill out with me and him down there with the man, you know.
To me go, so. You know say nothing because of my family me go, you know.
Alright.
I think he say me not fi stay too long, you know.
Alright. What you hear me go do? Me go give you some plan and thing for carry in.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and probably 2 finger banana and so yam.
So you not give me no planting?
Yeah, you get plant and banana and yam. Let me tell you, you know, good all you up here, you know, and I chill out with me and him down there with the man, you know.
No, sir, I not think so. My man a good man. Him not do that. I not think so. I not believe that one day. And that's why I have to tell him like say my family me they go down a country. Because you see through him not cheat on me. I don't want him to know say me a cheat on him.
What was Shanice?
Papa, I want to sit in the shop there, you know.
Alright, what you want, Shanice?
I want 3 chip and 1 drink, you know.
One chip and one drinks?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. So Shanice, want to money? Really? Everything good, what?
Clifton,
Oi,
how you do round there so long?
you know say I plate them in there wash up to cook some food.
You wash up plate so long? I think you go tonight. We could go have dinner. A long time me no go out, man.
Yo, you don't know so me no like eat a road, you know, so that's why me a cook, you see me?
That friend show off. Cause me know say you're a big chef already long time. So how you when they cook?
You know say some steamed fish me there plan to cook.
I lie. So you start already?
Yeah man, I plate them me there wash up to start cook.
You never start yet?
No, me never start.
Just make we go out now a long time we no go out. Me feel like we go out, man. A long time. I want to take a walk. Long time me no go out.
No, me never really want to go out still, you know.
Listen to me now. Me don't like how from other day you go on, you know. It's like you don't want to carry me out again and sit me. I think so me a house rat.
Alright.
Yo, me don't like the house rat thing. What you do? You carry me out or you not carry me out? Which one?
Make we go eating, alright?
Alright, babes. Hurry up.
Alright.
Hello?
I know say me see a man downtown today.
I lie.
And in the upper with next man.
Man, I can't me no, because me know you love run joke already, you know. Me know no joke.
Me have been pan video with girl, you know, me can send it to WhatsApp, you know.
Send it to me because I want to know if I true you talk at video not tell lie.
Alright.
Babes. Me have to go right now.
I
Me have to go right now. Me say fire the down on me yard. Me have to go left. It's urgent.
Fire down here, yeah.
Yeah, fire the down on me yard and me have to go left right now. But me will call you. Don't worry yourself. Me go call you. Me will call you, man.
Alright. Hold on. Make your two plant. Sorry.
Hurry up because me have hurry.
Yeah man, just stay down in two plant.
Alright. Me will call you.
Alright.
It's every morning when you walk on time, I go on the farm. I feel it, baby.
Really?
Yeah, every penny me not need it. I just me I go work it for. Come on, married to you.
Already and you just meet me?
I'm a single man. I don't have no woman. I'm a sister, baby. She's my sister.
Me say I want a go on, yes sir.
I'm your sister.
Yes,
Sister?
I'm a sister.
So how me
You
no know
never
this
tell
as
me
sister?
that.
Yes, I'm a sister.
How comes me no know this as
So who
sister?
is she then? To you. So how comes me on your sister?
No, Miss my sister.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sister.
Miss. I'm his wife. Who are you?
But I what he said my father got.
Yo.
So, yeah,
No,
Oi,
calm down. Me no long talk.
Oi,
Who
what
you?
is this? What is this? Me don't understand what you're going to say.
Yo, get up. Yo, get up, man. Get up.
What about me?
Look like you're busy though. Where you go?
So what can you me they go?
Boy, you're just busy so. But anyway, remember say this soon time you have a bed now. I go on my tea.
Yeah, man, I'm coming back in time and take care of your team. I'm not going to stay long down there.
Want to do your thing?
Sorry, Miss Judith, to come so late the partner money.
Sorry, Shanice. No, sorry, not in this. You always late, Shanice. You ever late. And you see people like you well late, I only want the early draw. And when you get to no early draw, when you not come back, me I fear wonder and worry if me don't get the people money. Some people are coming to them partner draw, you know, Shanice, and straight because you're lateness. Then nearly haul me a type of a wheelchair. And guess what? Me not going to make no come. make people come and come kill me in my wheelchair for them part of the money, so do me a beg you stop late. Because I get too much cussing for this a partner dryer. Me see again. Make sure next time you're early.
Alright, mom.
Because you don't want partner dry early and you feel late every time.
Alright, mom.
Make sure you're early. Me see you. And you see next time, make sure you bring me money come. Because I never can know someone to go a quote for it. You hear what me I tell you, Shanice? Alright, me see you again.
Hello? Babes, I chain no know. Me when you answer phone. You know how long me and call you and me can't get you? You know say me have to run out the little dirty boy. You don't know say me go catch him with woman. You see same thing when me and you just don't talk about. Come like you're a sidekick, my youth. God no. You have to go come down come live with me now, you know. Or if you don't live with me down on my yard, me I come up in your yard come live because me don't want him at my place. Me I go dash him out. He don't deserve a woman like me. And you know so me miss you though. You have to go come down. Me I go come check you here. So look how more me and you talk. Look how more me call you, man.
Where's my baby? I'm ready for the makeup sex, you know? Cause she know when a man cheat one time, a man deserve another chance, you know? I mean, woogie, woogie, woogie. Yeah, I wanna woogie, woogie. Yeah, baby, come. I'm feeling hot, 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 hot.
How will you do here, sir?
We don't remember. I wanna give
Me not think you're gone. Where you come back for?
No, I wanna give you the, you know.
Look here. You don't understand when I'm done. It's over.
You can't done, baby. I'm the man for
It's
you.
finished.
No
Me
man.
ain't not there no more. So what you doing at my place? You need to come out. You're not supposed to there, sir.
Baby, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm waiting on you. Hold long.
You need to come out of this. Cause me have my new man.
Which new man?
And you have to come out and come
Which
in. You're
new
not
man?
staying here.
I
You're
will
not-
burn down this place.
Burn
Which
down
new
what?
man? I'm
Are you
hot.
build it? You need to come out of this. I mean, I know long
She
talking
cannot
video.
cook. I told you already. She cannot cook.
She can't cook, and you tell me say you're not there. So oh, you know say she can't cook. Boy, I idiot to take me for.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. He's a confusion, but I'm
You know,
hot.
say you're an
I'm hot.
idiot. Right now, you can't even explain yourself. I
I'm
want
hot.
to you.
I'm hot.
Eh?
I'm
I want
hot.
to you. You say me an idiot. You need to come out of this. You need to come out. You need to come out of this. Come out. Come out of my place. All this way I have and my money buy. Come out. Step out here.
I'm hot, baby. Why you do this?
See you close them here. Take them and go along with them. Don't come back in on my place. Me done with you.
So,
You're not no good man, but you're a good man. You know a good man. You're going to see my good man coming at this. Fool!
so everything
You know
is
see me
done now.
take your money and send you out of this. And it's another man I go spend that. Go on where you go. Me and him I go cock up and buy a big car and drive around the place. And pass and splash up dirty water upon you. You need to get out and me means if you come out now.
So what's gonna happen?
Me mean what's going to happen? You don't understand when somebody say if you come out. Me don't want you in here so no more.
So who is gonna pay the bills?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. You just need to come out.
Alright, I'm gonna leave, but guess what? I'm gonna leave with a warning. That new man is going to near me down to the brim.
What you say? You not left? You not leave?
Yes.
Are you a place?
Yes.
Okay. Stay there till me come back. Me a go for me last. Boy, stay there. Cause you better than me. We all say who better.
Oh, come here, madman. Oh, are you a new man now?
You know what you talk about, you know. Wait, look at party I go.
Party in a big man and stuff. Everything cool.
You
man.
good do?
Yeah, man. That's enough.
Alright, do your thing. Yandy.
Yo.
Go on, you understand? My face is so sad, like, what do you? I see your boyfriend pass a while ago. Look like him and say, boy, him a got a party and him bex. I don't know what you and him have, I don't know.
Party? What kind of party? The boy not got no party. Me run out the dirty boy. That boy feel like he can't come style me. Style who? You see me look like idiot to him, the boy I feel left here so. Quick and fast.
As a Rasta youth, me no mind do business. So me no care about no business still, but anything now I don't do it well. You understand? But differently though. Me I look for my woman, Shanice.
Shanice did call me, you know, and she just come and left gone down. So, you know, so I don't know if I downtown she gone, but you can call her.
If I don't drink tea in the night, I can't sleep good, you know. I up a yard wait for her to come make my tea. And me not see her.
So you can't make tea for yourself. Shanice have to come make tea for you.
You wanna know, it's like how me no mind your business. Me no like people mind my business neither, you know.
You need to go your yard, go make your cup of tea. And stop come down on my yard and come ask me for your woman every time. I want to you.
Oh yeah, hello. Oh yeah, this is so strong. The deal is so strong, man. I know you deal with the daughter as a good way. You see your empress having a relax and thing, you know. So when I deal with a certain way, me I deal with the weak. You know, deal with me too strong.
Don't ask me for your woman every time, my youth. You look like informative, I want you.
I want her tea for drink now. If you see her, tell her say up a yard there. And man, I put her out the push contact with you.
You look like messenger that you don't have your woman number, why you don't call her? And ask her where she there.
Me no credit, girl. Me no credit for my phone. Call her and tell her say I'm up a yard and I want my tea.
You can't take it cheap, man. Go on here.
Come on, I feel drink soup. Cup soup at that. Big king man like me. I feel drink cup soup. I think I get like I'm coming tonight. Make him thinking bad. Come at tonight. Try get me good coffee tea. Night I can go sleep. And sleep go good. I feel drink cup soup. I don't know where my ram put in. So no what chance. Think you're bad coming at tonight. Oh, how that? Go on back anywhere you come from. Anywhere you come from, you go on now. Turn out there. Me have to drink cup soup when me tell you to come back in time for me drink me tea. So anywhere you go, stand there. Go on back there, go stay. You can't even drink me cup soup in peace. Hey, we don't want to nice out there knocking no man. You go on a circle house.
You have to let me come in yard me there.
Don't tell me no story, girl. Let me say let you in.
Me say if you let me in, me say. I'm in yard me there. Let me in.
Anywhere you come from, you go on back there, go sleep tonight.
Me go collect some money, you know. And then they gonna Miss Judith, me go pay my partner, you know. And money left back out of it.
Oh! Yeah, money left back. Yeah, you get money?
Yeah, me get money.
Push money on us, man. Send money. Give me, let me see money. Let me see money. Oh, you're lucky. You can't come in. Come in, girl. You're lucky you pay your toll.
I like where you stay, you know. I like where you stay, you know. Trust me, you know.
Think the boy fire don't get way. It's a way to get the tool here, you know. They know saying say blind the on this corner here. Blind! Blind! They know them say you're so blind there. Blind!
Yo. 90.
Brother, you're dopey, brother. Come out here so I look for your brother, I no see your brother.
9 man me kill already and no blind. Why pray?
Yo, never work for you, you know. I want a shows.
All are new.
New shows, man. Man, I beat all shows, brother.
Alright, we'll deal with that.
Brother. Come like a dopey, brother.
Me name 90 man. Slap with people, you know.
Brother, what is brother? How is the care come to me, brother? How this me want, brother?
Bad man, no shows you tell me say you want.
Brother, not this me want, bad man.
What do I you, man?
I don't want this, brother.
Then what you want?
Brother, I want a gun, brother.
Then what me can never say so? Eh? You think man a eyeglass? I want to a youth, man. You come for man ends and come ball out my name and you in the semi now. You don't come tell me say you want shows. You don't tell me say you want tool. I want to you.
Brother, get me a tool right now, brother. I want a tool for
Get your tool right now. No you talk to me, man. Me are the hit man around here. You have to be careful when you come on them ends here. You understand?
Yeah.
Because of ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Anyway, I will work on that for you. Yo! Give me my shows them to man. You know what happen? You told them when me have when kind of sell off, you know. So you know what happen? I will link up one link here and make you know when we get it and come check you. You hear that? So you know what? Make sure when we come here have my money, you know. Or else the ashes to ashes or dust to dust.
Oh, you gonna find me?
You don't worry about that. We will find it, just make sure you have my money. Or else ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
What you do ya?
Come back for your apology, baby. Love you, me sorry.
Me don't believe you. You could have even ball blood and go down on your knee. Me and you left. Me don't care. Me come catch you with woman, me and your wife, and for respect on your wife. Me and you done.
Me understand that, baby, but that, me and I know there. It was like a contract. She's giving me a contract.
Contract or con? A con you con me? Or you talk about contract with that the woman there?
No, as in contract, as in making
Right
money.
now, you disappoint me. Because I never know say I saw you stay.
So what is gonna take me to come back, baby?
After me a brag and a boast, so you're a good man. I disappoint me with. Woman me come catch you with.
Oh, well, me care upon the anniversary. No worry, just take me back, please. Anything going cost me.
Me nah take you back. Me nah take you back. And me no in that the foolishness there with you.
Come on, anything going cost me right now. Me need it in my life.
Really?
Me tired of driving
Anything
Span
we go
Road.
cost? Okay. Me need 550,000 in a me account right now. I need to send it straight to my phone. Let me see it.
Me only can give you 350,000 now, baby. Take it. It's a lot of money. Yes,
You
baby.
think me an idiot? Like when you give me 50,000 that done long time, you better give me 550,000.
I'm not gonna promise you 550 now, but I
If
can.
me want is come out of me yard.
I'll give you 350, baby.
Me say 550 is come out of me yard. A that me say and a that me mean.
I'll give you 525 then, please.
Me no in no talking. The long blah blah blah. Me say 550,000. That's it. Final.
All right, baby. As long as you take me back. Deal, baby, deal. I love you. You're my sugar. I love
You're
you.
lucky so me never ask you for more than that.
Thanks, baby. So you take
550,000 and me need you to send it to me account right now.
Okay, baby, I'm gonna do that now.
So we are careful flowers fungi.
It's for you, baby.
And
Look,
turn up so long with you and you can't see your mind. You're confused.
it's yours, baby. Look,
And you have it so
red
long.
and white, your favorite color.
All me know say. I know the woman you take it from and come give me.
I would never do that. I take it from out of my vase.
Really?
Yes, baby.
Alright. Anything you say?
Yeah.
So I tell you thank you.
Oh, yeah, me can go around there, go sit down now, baby, in my favorite chair, baby.
Thanks.
Okay, honey. Oh, my God.
Yo,
Yes, baby.
now baby me. Me no want you get too comfortable. Nobody get too comfortable here so the money me a defend.
Money, baby. Remember, say it's on the phone, so I can just go in the bank account.
You need
And
to
then-
send it now. You take too long to send it.
And
550,000, no less than that.
Same account you use, baby?
Same account.
Okay. Can I get a bowl of soup, baby?
Bowl of soup, you have to see the money first.
Tell them about the woman that we have to go live like Rasta, cause Rasta get benefit and me and lose. The little money, the little dead insurance I've got on my jeans.
Yes, baby, me see the money. That's why I feel love you saying I'm gonna say I'm a good man.
I'm
So,
not
you
like
want
the
something
Rasta,
to eat?
you know? Me is a different man now.
You know about that hungry again?
Of course, I need my soup.
You need soup.
Yeah, with a piece of yam, a piece of banana, and a piece of natural peas. Okay, baby?
Okay, I'm going to give you your favorite soup.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
I love you. Put your sweat in it.
I will put my sweat in it. Love you, baby. Mwah. Favorite soup.
Man a yard! Man a yard! Man a yard! The boy no big like me, you know. Something a live long time. Baby, how you go with that? How you go with that? I had to answer that, you know.
What do you?
The woman born me up in my back, but that don't hurt me. 600,000 grand down in jail. Looking at me back here, so. You ready?
Yes, you burn up, man.
Bad.
Yeah, bad.
Where?
I hope that's
Ah,
okay.
no. You see that woman they watch me and her?
So you do Papa rough?
Boy, if you get styling when they try to style up woman. See him? Me have to style up a little dirty boy. In lucky say me I no kill him. Burn up him and guess what? Me make the boy have to give me some money in my account first. I must style me and take me for fool.
Yo, I go and make killer. There, man.
Go on.
Jaja, know for when me I look for your bro, God, and can't find her. Jaja, you come like a right time emotion, my friend, man.
What do you mean, man? So, what I deal with this, man?
Tell me there, man, I go on with one vibe, man, G, man. You know, like badness comes down head, my friend. Yeah,
Man, take two. What you're messing on? The woman that we live with. And I'm mine. Yeah, big one, you know.
Yeah.
You know me, that man come down.
You know, man, forget things, you know.
I don't know, chicken feed money. You man take man for me and throw water for me. Hot water. Look at what I'm going up.
Man, them things they can't go and make it a salmon. Brother, what kind of salmon they are them for, bro? Right now.
You don't understand what's going on right now. The green. I know that one between and the new man when they come in. You want you do now. I want you follow me go because a woman will love beat man, you know.
I mean, me kill a man, a normal grey man, right now, man, brother.
Alright, so here babes, me are going to put on the pot. Alright? Yeah man, so as soon as you ready, me call you.
Alright, babe. Don't stay long enough right now, me hungry.
Alright.
You know, you say enough to come in my yard.
Is that you take me back or you take a surprise me for you?
Fool, come out of my yard, idiot.
Alright.
You need to leave. Bright. Both me to take you back a yard surprise. I don't want a surprise for you.
Get
Well,
my
my
friends.
friend.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, deal with a long time I
man.
don't see you.
I mean, man, long time friend,
Pick
man.
up yourself. We are dealing with a long time I don't see you. How are you today?
And thing, man.
A long time I don't see you.
A long time I don't see you.
So
I
what?
get brown like your inside like all
Yo,
the
mother,
time.
they are drinking it. I take
What
a
you
drink.
mean, man?
Alright.
Right now, my friend, man.
Hold on.
No
Go
joke,
for your
man.
drink.
Look good. Jaja, yo. She look good. Oh, Jaja, I forgot. Dog, you know, I think God, bro.
What you come here to do?
Relax now, bro, God, man. Relax, man.
Relax on what?
Bro,
I see you love your belly.
God, then badness come down, man. A normal pray, man. I'm a friend, man.
You come here to do something or what? From you down a bar, you drink, you come here and say you drink. And that's why I say you see, oh no, Jamaican police.
Action. I wonder they are sort talk about.
Between me and you, I know me, you know. I know me. Maybe I want to look at apology letter, you know. Lover boy, you know.
Lover boy, apology letter. You must be mad. Because me don't want that. You're crazy. Summons. And me and serve summons dirty boy. Me not got no coat. Left out of me yard and go.
I see him
Come
coat.
out of me yard. I
I
want
see
to
him
you.
coat.
How you feel like? And you come back here, so boy, me done you.
Miss Judith,
Oi! I would have come so early night, man.
a fire us, man.
Why you come out here now?
You know, say my girlfriend say my chum partner him to come pay partner for her because she gone for the road early this morning.
That means you come pay the partner.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much. Because every time you come late with the partner, me and somebody quarrel over my partner. All the one with them candy. Come here that they are war me and not just for Chinese hand to come in, you know. Because when Chinese him come late at the day, he come late in the week.
For no one, me come pay, man, because some of the time in brain they are so. Now yourself, for no one, me try control you and just you get your money early, you see it?
Alright, sir. Thank you.
I know yourself, man.
Alright.
Well, it's up here from nowhere like you're dopey.
You say when everything up, if you page you, you know. So what you deal with? So yo, you have my money, come smell something like money upon you, but a little bit, you know. So yo, what you say? You have my money, bad man?
Yeah, man. Me have your money.
Run that then now.
What you think there?
Yo, run my money first. You know what they call me?
Hold on. What you told? Brother, I can't do no transaction and I don't see what I'm supposed to get,
You
brother.
know what they call me? A blindy. Hit blind. So don't make me have to overdo it.
Alright.
Run my money.
Here we go. Hold on upon this, sir.
Yo, what is it?
See me also.
Oh. So you know, next time you can more cheese for the ends, you know. Because this is a mouse here, you know. And you have a little bit of cheese. You know, so I still smell a strong, yes, sir. Bad man, we done do business already. What you do, yes, sir?
Tell me what you do.
Yeah, man, you don't have a work for you deal with for me, you know. My foot broke and I can't make no crime. I pay you if you deal with it.
So, you hear me? Now you do one business and it kind of a little bit shaky, you know. So, how much you pay me for this submission, you know? Because I don't work cheap, you know. So, I wonder if you have money to deal with this.
Yeah, man, me start you out.
Alright, you what? When you come, you get something for him. Whether on a t-shirt or one on tie head or something. Cause guess what? Man blind, you know. Sniff me have to sniff him out. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, consider it done.
Bomba! How am I down so quick?
Hey boy, thief, how you do? How you do, you? Man, sure go be a man. Watch out, next time catch him yard, I'll kill you, no boy. I want people boy, you know.
Yo, you know, so me go figure get his shirt. And the boy fire us. Rush me. Now if you run left his shirt, brother. But you want me and the touch his shirt and me get the smell off his shirt.
That kind of weak, man. But anyway, get something out of it still.
You see me and him grab up. And you rasta, you know, someone said left for me.
Yeah, man, but trust me, if you sent higher than for him, sent, I smell bad from morning. You understand? Yo, you know how you name fire us?
Yeah, man. Live right down there, see, you see me?
Where him there?
Down there, someone.
Alright, now see alright. Yo,
Oh, yeah, the come in so close. What do you know, sir?
you smell like a Rasta, so.
Yeah, man, a Rasta, man. Every Rasta smell alike, man. What you talk about?
You know why you name for your Ras?
Original Ferras.
Yes.
Yeah, I know him, man.
Where him there?
Yeah, man, I know if I can find him, man. But you see right now, there and man, and man. Raw, you know, you me I tell you so right now, if you couldn't touch me, I think we couldn't carry go down on the journey. No, man, we don't move for the journey. If I'm man, I don't know food, you know. Give me a thing, I'm carry show party man, man. You talk about?
Alright. So 1,000 yeah.
Alright, my boy.
Yeah, man. Come up on the end.
Yeah, man, I'm carry show party, boy, Ferras. You know, if you're not like 6 I'm cover ground that, you know, man.
Alright.
Cover ground, man.
Alright.
Just walk on, man. Walk on, man.
Oh, man. How can I roll this hammer on the chemical, man?
I'm in here, Ferras, road.
Oh, you name so?
Well, for the a madman, man. Can't believe it. The box says I saw them lock up candy, you know. The God. Miss Judith,
Oi.
me done show you the profiles. Me come early, you know.
Okay, what's going on?
Yeah, man. My partner jam me come to collect, yeah.
Are you going to collect the partner?
Yeah, me come to collect it, man.
So why Shanice never come?
She busy up and do something, man, so we must collect it.
Or you intend to come for it because you come to split it or you want to split it, you come to take all right for her. Because I notice saying I help her out, you know, because the other day me see she a walk a pick up buckle and a sell panty a roadside for show the partner. Me never see you a come till when the partner near to draw. You start come. Although you come early, me so glad you did come early. That's nobody not to come back and they try fight me. One haul me out of the piece of wheelchair, fling me out a door. But me not understand why are you they come now, why you have to job. Me want to talk to Shanice. Me not think me want to give you it.
When I work at night, you're there in your bed asleep. I work at night time. I work at night, Shani's working the day. You see her picking up pint, you see her selling panty in the road, but I'm working in night. Me have a night job, I'm there on the night shift. So don't worry yourself, man, the thing original and official. You understand? Me can't call her right when you talk to her. Shani's baby, I'm at the partner place now, with Miss Judith. Me I collect the money for you, but she don't really trust me, you know. Serious? Talk to her.
Hello, Shanice. Me should I give Fire us the partner money? You serious? If you really give the partner money to Fire us, or you want to come for it yourself? Because me no understand why you send Fire us. I love you love Fire us more than yourself, girl. You're not afraid him run off with it? You not run off with it? Alright, me go and give him. Are your man, me go and give him. Jennifer? You can pass that envelope on top of that place they give me. The same one where they tell me put on the stuff for Chinese partner.
Yeah, Miss Judy.
Alright, thank you. Mas Fires, me I get the partner. Me no want you to take it to Shanice. Shanice come and tell me say shot. And tell Shanice say me say tell her say 6 weeks left in her it. And the one when you Candy in best friend have 2 more hand in there. And she are the main one, and me can't hold no argument with her when she come to pay her partner, you know. Because she pay her partner good. You don't know when she get pay her man and give her so much money, because about 6 hands she did, and she had 2 more hands left in there. And tell her, say me a beg her, no make it late next time when he come. And like how you take up the opportunity if you come pay, make sure you come with you, you know.
Yeah, man.
You
Hey,
sure?
hold on, papi money, man. Look, you know, let it
We
go.
just want to make certain say you're coming back with the partner money.
Yeah, man, thanks, mommy. We are talking about me don't love you love all of people money, so you know. So me a pay when you come and me no long talking, no. For me cash and this money, me just give it so. You see if you drink liquor, me like it still, no. You see if you drink liquor, me da buy you a drink or rum. But anyway, I rum me da buy you, me no buy people more than rum. I rum me buy people. Later, mommy, take yourself.
Yeah, next time come back early.
Yeah, man, alright.
Oh, I'm to this a big old fool man, yeah, man.
I want to you. How if you put the ticket in the way, you know see me? When you put the tick there for?
Yo, we see I'm blind.
Oh, you're blind for choose. So what blind you?
Look, you see I know this a mission I'm depend, you know. Yo, what you don't even know, you know, dog. You all know somebody at club I look up on that one girl. And I'm gonna say, yo, I can't look up on that girl. And I say, yo, I mean, say I can't look up on that girl. You know, I'm look up on that girl, come juke up me two eye them now. And you want to know, say, I be red me see after that. And darkness. See any day I see that boy, ashes to ashes and dust to dust.
Yeah. Miss you, yeah?
You better. Hey boy, look, you see another mission them up on you know.
What go on general, you know, say, you live life, though, but I place you come back fast still, you know.
Yo, you are going. That not gonna work, you know. That not gonna work.
So me ask you a question now. You want to have double work for yourself, what you do?
You buy something or what?
You want me to buy, but I want to take a seat over there so still. So, I just want a water.
I want. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Never say.
Allah. Yo, you know long man I wait for you. Come in man, for me you like a boy up at one shop, but I'm not sure for him. So forward, you know. Alright, I wait for you. I don't wait too long, you know. It's me come for you instead, you know. And you know me move. Oh. Ashes, you know.
When we done pay, we never answer.
You want to pay for that, you know, no joke thing that, you know.
Don't worry, yes, man.
Alright.
Yes, yo, give me one crackers to the general.
See boy in there today. Right, left, right. See boy pass you. You shot me, brother.
Yeah, man. Go sit down. Yo, you not have to worry yourself, you know, you're safe. I know we didn't come for. Yeah, man, we're good.
Chang, me don't know about you, but me want to go home.
Girl, right now me not left without my money, you know.
Alright. You are going. Chief you. Chief you.
3,000 all over the last night. How can I start this, sir? No, man, me not work with this. 3,000.
Alright. You are going. Now go down the town to see if we can drop this more food from a machine and make it get this in.
I come up, sir.
No go say it, man. We take care of it. Not to worry yourself. In?
I
Yeah,
tell
man.
a piece me want, so just get 7 more put on this thing.
Alright. No rain. Me start you.
No ramp with me, now. You know, see, I play the boy, I play with friend. Look how much money the boy have in his pocket, and you know, see, I worry.
Maybe that's a $3,000 can.
3,000 a piece. Like we are kids need. Tell me now. After the amount I work out, put on 3 dead thousand in our hand.
And you should have given more than that.
The boy they don't rate we now. He don't rate we none at all. $3,000. This can't you buy me ear.
And me can't be born with this.
Hello, miss. Beg you a minute there, please. Good day. Me have a look. Problem, you see? Me a come for all the way a man to go. Be right come check one big man. After we put on one bag of thing in the bedroom last night, now come out here now and sit down and I wait for my little dividends. Cause me love them something here, you know. The man go look for him give me $3,000.
$3,000?
And I know US. Tell me if that right. 3,000
Man, you not
Jamaican
perform
dollars.
good, man. You perform good?
Me say me do everything in our book. He say we even perform better than the woman we have up here.
Really?
Yes, me and my friend, and he look for me and give me 3,000 each.
I wonder which man that. Can no man can't give me no $6,000, then I have to give me more than that. A which man?
Slackness, not you know the man who own the shop.
Really?
Me run too.
Girl, me love money, you know, but me not lose my life.
No, me not go and left me money.
Girl, come on.
Wait for me.
Marvelous, wonderful. This is more than bold and the beautiful. Look how me have one woman. And you burn me up with hot water. and see new man now at 2 burger me seen coming with, you know. I say I treat me and me love you. Eh? Me was a good man. And you know that too.
You're a real good man.
What you mean, baby? I want woman. Yo, give me a chance, please. Just
You need a chance. Hold on there. Me soon come back.
And that's why I love you, say, you know. Long time want to come back still, you know, long time you man ready to go.
I love you too. Me soon come back.
Yeah, baby. I'm if you want fire.
If you are a new subscriber, thank you for watching. If you have watched it already, please watch it again. You don't know it all, it's all important. I know sometimes people might come on and say, oh, why are you re-uploading, or you know, we watched it already. But as I always tell people, there's always a method to the madness. So instead of criticize, or as some people might call it, some people might call it, but they call it constructive criticism. It's criticizing nonetheless. So just watch, man, and if you are a true supporter, just watch and go and support. I know a lot of times a lot of people might have bright ideas of what they think we should do on YouTube and how we should do YouTube, but trust us, man. We have 140,000 subscribers, and I don't think it is by mere coincidence. It is by the fact that we've been putting in work. So it goes to show that we are working. So continue to subscribe, support what we've been doing, and as I'm tell you, there are new movies coming, but you know, sometimes some of the movies them just take long for done, so we just have to work with the time. Big up on yourself, and Christmas will come, so big up on yourself. Yeah, man. I might not use that.